Love, Bustin. Go, love, Bustin. Bustin, love daw.
Dito ka sa kabila. Wait lang. Sige sa kabila. Parang nag-usap tayo ah.
Look at this No.
Hi guys! So today, pupunta kami sa probably Kidzuna or any playhouse. Meron din daw sa Shangri-La Fort. So doon na tayo magkikita ni Lover. Si Lover nasa practice. And na-miss namin yung kids. Kasi, as you know, galing akong Japan. Tapos si Scotty naging busy din. Twice a day practice yung event sa Arena Plus with D-Rose. So, let's go! Woo! Aster is Austin is back! Woo! Ikaw na lang, Austin.
Cut.
Yeah, boy. Wala ko sa kita. Hi! Mami. Thank you.
No, Tiger Eyes.
You serious?
Let's go, Daddy.
Baba na. Oh, sige, down na.
Hello guys. Come here, Austin. Kargain mo.
Hi guys ka.
Si. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Have 2 kids. Hi, I love you. Kiss daddy. Oh, so sweet. Kiss daddy.
Hi kuya, Austin.
Hug. Oh, purit ba? Wow, thank you. Ayaw na. Kiss daddy. Kiss. I love you. Huh? Oh, Storm. Lala. Baba. Okay. Umiyak. Takot ko, Daddy.
Hi. Hello. Mami. Yes, Esther. Tara, tawag.
Yes. Post. Esther and Austin. Austin, post.
Okay, Austin.
Boss, bibi, boss.
Smile. Love. Hindi na gumalaw. Love. 1, 2, 3. Post. Camera. Austin. Ayaw, kiss. Say hi, guys. Welcome to Hi guys, the adventure playground sa Shangri-La is closed. So we're going to Kidzuna. Okay, let's go. Hi guys. Kidzuna. Ito mga merenda. Ngayon lang pala kami nakita. Galing pala to Japan. Yes. You want ice cream? Oh, yes. You want ice cream?
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Dahil nawala si Mami ng napakatagal at si Daddy parang nawala din sa bahay. Twice a day yung practice, so most of the time wala kaming oras sa mga bata. So right now, it's Friday and we decided na lalabas para magbanding sila.
That's pretty good.
Hello! Hello guys! What do you want? You want to order na? You don't like to order? You're full or you're hungry?
Sir, can you see what I'm seeing?
What's that?
Oh, ito. I like this. Mochi tart salsa.
23 is 9! How are
Ba't
you?
kapag akala niya i-kiss mo siya mama?
Wow! Kiss-kiss ko. Bango mo naman.
Bango no?
Bango! Bango!
Daldal ka daw, daldal.
Darating si Papa Lumo bukas.
Ay, bukas na? Agwapo! Is that it? Peekaboo!
Ice management.
Peekaboo!
Pwede po yung ice ma'am. Ice
Ay,
management.
si Darmy! Lag-lag na magano. Lag ka? Ha? Wala. Nakatingin siya, oh. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Pag nakukusin na lang, oh.
Nabilitan mo sila. Nabilitan mo.
Dapat, sarap ng cookies sila.
Sir, lami.
Lami.
Chocolate.
Cookies. Cookies.
Meow!
I like cookies.
Meow!
What's that?
Meow!
Uy! Ubus! Ubus! Ubus cookies! There you go.
Master.
There.
Hi guys! Want some cookies?
Lami kayo.
Dami kayo? Oh, oh, oh! Pakit, pakit! Suk agad! Lala! Hala, hala, hala! Ayaw! Yum, yum, yum! Wow! Nice to. Again, thank you for the food, thank you for the time together, thank you for we should have to be safe and safe to be my kids and for the learners and Amen. Teach me.
Maingay guys.
Missing.
Sorry, baka nakaka-explode tayo.
That's pretty good.
Kuya-kuyo. Kuya-kuya yung isa. Kuya-kuyo.
Ay, asa ba yung ano mo labas?
Mamaya. Lab-lab mo siya.
Sweet.
Wala mo ano basic.
Let's go! Okay guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Kidzuna. Oh, gusto mo ganyan na, sir? It's family day, kids day, banding muna sa mga bata. Ayun oh, car. Oh, dito tayo sa Kidzuna. Aster! Aster, oh! Wow! 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 Let's go! 1, 2, 3, go!
Wala, nabuslot ako!
You can use the black crayon. You're done. Very good. So we're done. You're on the floor now. Okay, sino muna tayo sa harapan?
Wow!
So if you want to celebrate, let's say Kitsuna. When I say Kitsuna, hooray. You will say hooray, okay? 1, 2, 3, Kitsuna. Hooray! One more time. If you want to celebrate your birthday here in Kitsuna, you can ask our friend and staff. So thank you for joining. And you can...
Use your face, ask them, ask them. Face.
Pasti na
Again. Basta ikaw.
At ayaw mo yan.
Yay!
Ikon.
Then, this one is sa taas. Fine. Then,
Dito eh. Ito walang balance eh.
slide, baby, slide. Slide. Paa. Ganyan.
One, two, three. Ayun na, balik ka doon.
Please, Lolo, please.
Mami, bye-bye.
Sige, sige, tulad mo sige. Go, I got it. Got it. Like.
Napagod siguro. Yes, baby. Oh, hold. Tita, hold. Tita.
One more. 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you po. Yeah, arigatou gozaimasu.
Hey, that's pretty good.